Once I pick up a micro theme, I know what area to focus on. Now I would like to look at the type of questions that are being asked, the nature of the questions that are being asked. We'll take a look at these questions. Assess the role of British imperial power in complicating the process of transfer of power during 1940s. So this phase of freedom struggle of 1940s and the role of British powers in complicating the process of transfer of power. Now this is obviously referring to the movements or the events that were taking place at that point of time, right? Your August offer and how it was negative for us. Your Cripps mission, how it was negative for us. Weibull plans, that thing. Cabinet mission and how it. So all these movements will be sort of covered in your answer, and because it is asking us what was the role of them in complicating the process of transfer of power, we will be mentioning all the negative aspects of these questions. Now see, we knew that we had to study the various stages of the freedom struggle, so these events were very important. We already knew that from the analysis. But now when we have prepared all the dimensions to these things, like how it was, they can very well ask a question like how in the 1940s there were positive movements taking place towards finally getting freedom. So there you will be talking about the positive aspects of these things, right? So basically what I'm saying is when you have the events in hand, you know that you have to study the events very well. You will analyze that topic in multiple dimensions. You will study that movement's particular introduction. You will be prepared with that. You will know the certain technical specifics of that movement or that event, like who was involved, how it took place, like the development towards that movement and what happened after that, positives of that thing, negatives of that thing, the way forward for that thing. So this is the sort of broad preparation that we follow in general of GS papers, right? So this is something that you will do similar, just that you have to focus on what you want to study very well.